Poex is a brand of polymer technique company, and the polymer technique company is established in 2007. Since that time, we are producing twin screw cover rotating extruders for compound and master batch process. And these plastic processing machines, we have one of the leading company in that file.
What is the condition of plastics industry in Turkey in these tough times? What are the challenges and what are the opportunities?
Turkish, especially if we need to talk about the plastic markets. Turkish plastic market is the second biggest market for plastic processing in the Europe. So we have really good opportunity and very good knowledge about the polymer processing. Also regarding the machinery and the equipments in the plastic market depends on the plastic processors, number of plastic processors. We have really good experience on that file too, and also not only knowledge but also geographical opportunities of the Turkey is very good advantage of our country, and most of the companies and most of the clients, when they visited us as a customer here, they always talk about the power of the Turkish plastic market as well as Turkish machinery sectors too.
Did you notice any consequences the pandemic time for Turkish industry?
Of course, some companies, not only about pandemic situation, but also for the supply chain problems due to the COVID issue, we get affected as a Turkish plastic sector too, and also machinery. But we a bit reduced the capacity due to power of the employer, but when I have checked to the number of the sales and the turnovers of the companies, especially some packaging side or the related other sectors with the packaging, it's always growing. It's always growing also due to pandemic. They didn't affect it so much. So if I need to talk about the polymer technique company as a Poex brand, we also evaluated our turnover and the number of the sales in that period. 50% our turnovers is evaluated after the pandemic, and I think the sales orders nowadays is really bigger than the before. So I don't think that it's only about the pandemic situation or the sales for the purchase problems, but it's there is demands in the market regarding the inflation too. So we don't know what will happen in the future, but nowadays the situation is going well for us.